Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's head back to Tonopah. Once again, located inside the Tonopah Historic Mining Park will be another clamper marker. So now, we will find our next marker about 200 yards west of the visitor center at the base of a large tailings pile and near a small portal. So now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Jackass, the miner's most important friend. The Jackass, the miner's most important friend. In the mining west, the most important partner for the prospector was his jackass, also known as a donkey, burro, ass, jack, jenny, jennet, or if crossed with a horse, mule, or henny. The jackass was singularly adapted to long treks over rough ground carrying heavy loads in the dry desert environment, surviving off desert fauna. Known for a stubborn disposition, many prospectors credited their burros with finding the water needed to get them through their journeys in the trackless areas they covered. Here at Tonopah, it was Jim Butler's jackass that was credited with causing him to find the original ore, which led to his famous mines, including the one near this plaque, named, appropriately, the burro. Donkeys have been domesticated for at least 5,000 years. Over 40 million exist in the world, working with humans mainly as pack animals. Dedicated this 20th day of October 2019 by the Quoho Posse Chapter 1919 and Snowshoe Thompson 1827 of the Ancient and Honorable Order of Eclampus Vitus, in cooperation with the Tonopah Historic Mining Park. Let us never forget the ass, for it was always by their side.